Padmavati and I'm from Computer Science Department. My register number is UR15CS363 and I'm here to demonstrate program stack. It is starting from the header file #include IOStream and then the default using namespace standard. Then the void push int is given, void pop, void display, and int is full, int is empty, so that it can be printed as stack is full or stack is empty. Then int top is equal to -1 n, data a is initialized value. Then we have to initialize the program as int choice, that is char ch. Choice is taken as ch and cout enter the size of the stack, so that in the output it will come as enter the size of the stack, so that we can enter the size in the proper way. So cin we have to get the output properly, so it is given as n. So we use do while do in this do loop in this program. Cout, the options will be 1 push, options 2 will be pop, display, then enter the choice will be ours. So cin choice and the switch data, the switch structure is used in this program. Switch is a multiple branch program and it is given as like in case 1 enter the item to be pushed, that is first one, the enter the item to be pushed, and then cin data, push data, and break statement should be given in the switch structure program. The case 2 will be pop. As the case 1 is enter the item to be pushed, the case 2 will be the pop, break. Then case 3 will be display the initialized value and break. The default will be invalid entry if you give the number which is not invalid. So cout, it will ask like, do you want to continue, press y or y, so that we use while again do a loop, so that it will ask, do you want to continue, so you can press the y option. Next, return 0. You can give as int is empty, so that if the stack is empty, it will come like if top is equal to -1, then it will return a value 1, else it will return to 0. So if the stack is empty, it will return 1, or it will return, else it will return 0. So if the stack is full, it will return 1, else again it will return 0. So the void push int data. So if the stack is overflowing, it will come like the stack is full, else the stack is overflowing, that is plus top is equal to data. So void pop will once again show that if it is empty, cout it will show as stack is empty, else if b is equal to a top, cout the deleted element is. At last, at the final, it will ask like what is the deleted element, so we can enter a new number, and again we have to press void display. If is empty, it will show as cout stack is empty, else if we have to initialize the value for I is equal to 0, that is I is less than or equal to top, that is I plus plus, so the value of I can be incremented. So the c is /n will be the number of values we are giving to it. So we have to close the program, we have to close the brackets and stop the program. The program is completed and we have to give build and run, so that we get the output as enter the size of the stack. If we enter the size of the stack as 22 and 34, it will come like 1 push, 2 pop, 3 display, enter your choice, that is invalid entry. So as we told before, do you want to continue, press, you have to give caps y, so that it will ask for which option we want. So we can choose the option like 1 if for push. So we have to enter the item to be pushed, it will be like 56. So once again you have to give y, so that if you give 2, it will come like the deleted element is 56. So if we push, it will show as 56. So if we pop, the deleted item will be 56. So once again if you give y, and then if you display give 3, and once again it will ask from the first, so that you can give 2, and it keeps on repeating the same values. Thank you.